It's a party. Yeah. Respects to Heavy D. Woo! Let's go, Amy. Trying to get to the top. The winner wins a bragging rights, a swag bag, and a trophy.
10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go, Lee.
Currently at the top.
All the Seattle people in the place. Keep it alive. Let's go, Lee.
Seattle.
What are we gonna do? All female competition.
Give it up.
I don't know. Is it gonna be Seattle or Canada? I don't know. Oh, I'm sorry, that's Seattle.
Judges.
Seattle, okay.
Judges. 3, 2, 1.